What's going on YouTube? Stocks by the numbers here. Welcome back. Just wanted to do a quick update of a stock that I know a lot of people are interested in. We looked at the numbers. We looked at some technical analysis. We absolutely nailed this pop out here on the bull flag a couple of months ago here. As you can see, this was end of March going into the beginning of April. We had a phenomenal pop there. Absolutely nailed the call. But overall, SoundHound AI right here, ticker symbol SOUN, listed here on the NASDAQ, is absolutely raging today, up around 17%. Was just at $3.20 at the day high there, now pulled back 1 cent here, $3.19. And basically overall, not only did we say that we liked the company, but more importantly, if we back out here, these were the top trend line and of course the bottom from just about when the bull dropped here. And I pointed out that this was a symmetrical triangle and the stock would most likely bounce around in this trend range before breaking out either into a bullish or a bearish direction. Obviously, again, symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical means even, so it's even trend lines at the top and the bottom, so it's not a clear indicator as to whether it is a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout. Only time will tell. However, overall, even going back here, you can see we really started analyzing the stock. It was like just sub $2 or around $2 a share. And again, as we see here, back to the highs of the day of $3.20. So just like I've been saying, if you can isolate the undervalued investments that are flying underneath the radar, it will be extremely advantageous for you to purchase shares of the stock as opposed to trying to roll the dice week in and week out, trying to time some calls or some puts on a pop or a drop. And at the end of the day, if you simply bought these shares back at $2 when we first started analyzing, guess what? You're up over 50%. So you guys who follow me and have notifications turned on, you obviously just saw I posted a video a couple of days ago talking about Ricey, Rolls-Royce, ticker symbol RYCEY. That stock, same situation, up over 50% for us, was sub $1.25. Stock jumped up to $1.90 a share. So this is why I'm saying I understand everyone wants the short game and you all want your daily goals met and you want to make $100 a day, $1,000 a week, whatever your goal might be. And believe me, I appreciate it and I respect it. But at the end of the day, if you had the liquidity to actually buy the shares, again, you're up over 50% on Rolls-Royce, and now you're up over 50% here on SoundHound. So again, as we see, it is actually trading right above this top trend line. So it could potentially be gearing up for a breakout. However, the apex, again, as we see here, is like the third week of June, really, of this triangle. So they may potentially have it close at or below this top trend line and may potentially bring it back down and have it bounce around before having it break out again. So I just wanted to do a quick update there on SoundHound because, again, no matter which way you dice it, I mean, we looked at the company, what, $1.90, $1.95, 205, 209. Now the son of a bitch is almost up to $3.25, right? So if you understood the conviction in my voice and everything that we were breaking down, not only in the numbers but of course in the technicals, hats off to you. Congratulations. You are up over 50%. Switching over here to stock charts, you can see now the stock has broken out above that top Bollinger Band, but it was a very, very tight range here. And look, we have the 50-day and the 200-day diverging basically on the same point at roughly around 2.5. So we could have a massive pullback, again, staying in this range here. Look, 2.5 is right here. Literally the middle of this symmetrical triangle. So, of course, that could happen. The RSI has been rising as of late. We're looking at the daily right now. It's sitting here a touch below 63, so it still has some room to climb up if it really wants to. And it looks like the MACD is rising and actually recently crossed here on this upward trend when the stock pulled back and bounced off of this 50-day moving average about 2 weeks ago. So we may potentially have a breakout and more upside here. But of course, 17% pop today, so you have to assume a handful of people are probably taking profits off the table to make a couple of bucks. So that's why I'm saying it does have the potential to break out, but of course it does also have the potential to pull back and get back in that range. The MACD here on the weekly seems to be consistently, slowly and steadily rising. The stock has now established a 50-day moving average on the weekly down here at $2.68, which as we see here, the low of the week, $2.69. So we had multiple rejections here, and now the stock got up above the 50-day moving average and has since bounced and been popping and rallying. Now, of course, on the weekly, 409 is our top Bollinger Band, which we can see we tested at basically multiple occasions here throughout the past. So, of course, it could happen. But again, I do think, in my opinion, it will most likely start to sell off and pull back. Stock's already down a couple of cents from when we started this video. And again, if we come back here over at earnings, again, they were slightly light on the EPS and on the revenue side, but wasn't as sporadic and inconsistent as a lot of other smaller cap companies that we looked at. So with this company coming in with a slight miss, yes, it could be viewed as a negative. However, again, going back to the quarter before, the last time we looked at it, you see a very nice healthy beat on the top and bottom line. So overall, I still do like SoundHound. If you got in, congratulations. I'll throw a feather in my cap. Absolutely nailed that call on multiple occasions with the numbers and then with the technicals. And then overall, really, in the last 3 months, if you watch the videos, if you follow the channel, again, congratulations. You're up over 50% on another one and another one. So, honestly, I'm going to leave it there because there's not much more to say. I just wanted to update you guys and let you know how awesome I am. So, once again, Stocks by the Numbers. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop it down in the comments section. I'm usually very quick to reply. Like the video, thumbs up, algorithm, helps out the channel. Subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, means a lot to me. Moving forward, like I always say, I understand that markets are rocky, and they're volatile, and they're uncertain. So I want to wish everyone success. Hope everyone makes a couple of dollars. Thanks for viewing the update. Have a good day. I'll see you guys later.